Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the latest on Star Trek Discovery. Specifically, is there going to be a season 6 or not? What's the status? What do we know so far? Let's dive into the facts. Star Trek Discovery premiered in September 2017 on CBS All Access, later moving fully to Paramount Plus. Across its run, it has had 5 seasons totaling 65 episodes. Memory Alpha. Season 5 is the show's final season. Season 5 details and finale. Season 5 premiered on April 4th, 2024 and concluded on May 30th of 2024. It has 10 episodes. After the season ended, various media confirmed there won't be a Season 6. Is there going to be a Season 6? As of now, there are no plans for Star Trek Discovery Season 6. The show was officially cancelled or concluded after Season 5. The cancellation appears to be part of broader shifts at Paramount Plus, including strategy for streaming content. What's next in the Trek universe? Even though Discovery has ended, the Star Trek universe is far from over. Here are some of the next things. Star Trek Selection 31, a film, was released in early 2025. It follows up on characters from Discovery, Starfleet Academy, which is another series in development set in the same far future or 32nd century timeline that Discovery explored. Expected to premiere in early 2026. Star Trek Discovery has ended with Season 5. There is no Season 6 in production as planned. Fans can still enjoy the show via streaming and soon via owning the physical or digital complete series. The Trek franchise is continuing in other directions, films or spin-offs that connect with Discovery's setting. If you like this video, then hit like, subscribe and tell me in the comments what was your favorite Discovery moment. Would you like a Season 6? Until next time, live long and prosper.